So this is going to be a very short video. It's just mainly because I wanted to talk to you about creating snapshots in VirtualBox. So if you've been following my videos on customizing your own pen testing operating system and you're learning, don't worry about messing anything up. So it's a virtual machine. You can just reset it if you delete files that you shouldn't do. So a lot of things, especially pen testing, is trial and error. Trying something, you learn from your mistakes. So you can play about with things, and if something breaks, it really doesn't matter. But if you don't create snapshots and something breaks, that means you have to literally delete, remove this, and go through the whole process of installing it again, which is a lot of hassle. So instead, you can actually create a snapshot, which is like a backup. So if you click this symbol here and then you click snapshots, you can take a snapshot of how the system is now. So if you click take, it's asking you for some information. So I'm just going to put today's date, which is the 15th, so I know roughly when I took it. Oh, it's not 2021, is it? And then you can put whatever else you want. Click OK, and that now has created a snapshot. So that means that if you mess up your system, you can come back to here and you can choose to actually go back to a backup that you previously made, and then when you then load it up again, it will be back at that backup. So this is quite good. I do this every now and then. I typically will have one after I've installed or created the OS. Then I've installed guest editions and some of the basic programs. I'll create a base snapshot, so I've always got that to go back to. And then over time, as I install more, I'll just keep making snapshots, just because, you know, if you mess something up and you don't know what you've done or how to fix it, you know, if you've got a recent backup, you can just back that up or restore that backup, and then that's it. You know, you haven't got to go through the whole setting up and installing everything and customizing everything process again. So that's something quite good to bear in mind.